Hey guys, just want to give you a quick tutorial of the beacon. So I've got a MudLOVE Beacon here. It's got an NFC sensor in it. I've got an iPhone and an Android for testing. And when you got it set up on Apple, you want to know where the NFC sensor is. It's wherever you use like Apple Pay or Google Pay. On iPhones, it's right along the top edge here, kind of right behind the camera. And so all you have to do is bring the beacon up there. It'll show that there's a link, and wherever you've set it to route, in my case, it's my Instagram page, it's going to work. On Android, every Android is different. This is an older Google Pixel. The sensor is actually right below where the fingerprint sensor is, or typically the very middle of the phone. Just make sure you see where your phone's sensor is. In this case, touch it right to the middle, and it's just gonna bring up the Instagram page right from there. So that's how it works between Apple and Android. We'll have some links to test where your NFC sensor is in your particular phone model. When it comes back to using the app, what you'll want to do when you first come in the app is it'll prompt you to create a username and password. The app is totally free. You can come in here and register a new beacon. It'll pop up here and say ready to scan. Just hold your beacon up near the top of your phone. It'll show that it's successfully paired, and then you're good to go. You won't have to redo that. And if someone gifts you a beacon, you'll want to do that step first. Once you do that, you can simply change any of these individual links. If you want it to bring up a text message, you can do that. You can leave a little note, and you can always test it to make sure it works, which it does. And then you do have to tap on save, and then it's going to ask to write to your beacon. So you'll go ahead and do that. And that's all you have to do. Everything should work out fine there. And then when you do come back in here, you'll be able to touch the beacon and it'll bring up that action that you requested. So I found it a really cool networking tool to give out your phone number, your Instagram page, whatever that might be. And then you'll be able to kind of explore the app. You can see this is a very beta version of the app, but it'll be coming out shortly, where you'll be able to track all the visits. You'll be able to track anybody you've connected with in the real world, so to speak, so you can see all their information and follow up with them at a later time. So that's a quick tutorial on how to set up and use your beacon.